Next point, that is depression. Of course, it is a disease of your nervous system and it comes under your psychiatric disorders. So, what is depression? It is a state of low mood and aversion that to activity that can affect a person thoughts, then person behavior, then feelings of person and physical well-being. Yes, it is a state of low mood or the sad mood and aversion to activity that can affect a person thoughts, then behavior of person, then person feelings and physical well-being. And this depression, it may includes feeling of sadness, then anxiety, emptiness, hopelessness, guilt, then irritability and restlessness. I am repeating, this depression, it may includes a feeling of sadness, then anxiety, then emptiness, hopelessness, guilt, irritability and restlessness. Then the depressed peoples may a loss of or they lose a interest in various activity and also suffers from a cognitive failure of the cognitive impairment or the loss of cognitive functions. For example, difficulty in concentration, then difficulty in remembering and also difficulty in making a decisions. Yes, these depressed people may lose interest in activity and also suffer a cognitive impairment. For example, difficulty in concentration, then difficulty in remembering, and also difficulty in making a decisions. Then the depression can remain several months to years. MC. This depression can remain for several months to year. There are few key features of this depression. First, that is low mood or the depressed mood or the sad mood, then reduced energy, then loss of interest or the loss of enjoyment, then marked tiredness, then reduced concentration, then reduced attention, then reduced self esteem and self confidence and guilt. I am repeating, first low mood or the depressed mood or sad mood, then reduced energy, then loss of interest, loss of enjoyment, marked tiredness, reduced concentration, reduced attention, reduced self confidence, reduced self esteem, and reduced guilt. And this depression can occur in the age of or in age 20 to 40 years. In 20 to 40 years of age group. So, what are the signs and symptoms of this depression? First, that is depressed mood, then sad mood or the low mood, then loss of interest in various activity or less interest in various social activities, then loss of sexual desire, then loss of appetite, or the low appetite, then unintentional weight loss. It means without any intention there is loss of weight without dieting. Then insomnia, it means difficulty in the sleeping. Then hypersomnia, excessive sleeping. Then restlessness, then delayed psychomotor skills, for example slow movement, then slow speech, then fatigue, then loss of energy, then feeling of guilt, that is guilt feeling, then impaired ability to think, impaired ability to concentrate, and impaired ability to make a decision. Then recurrent thoughts of death or suicide or attempt at a suicide, then losing hope or the hopelessness, then mentally disturbed, drastic change of appetite, and also sudden change in sleeping pattern. These are the few signs and symptoms of depression. Then next, that is types of depression. According to the causes and the symptoms of depression, it is classified. First, that is persistent depressive disorder. Then second, postpartum depression. Then psychotic depression. Then seasonal affective disorder. And last, that is bipolar disorder. I am repeating. First, that is persistent depressive disorder. Second, postpartum depression. Then psychotic depression, seasonal affective disorder, and bipolar disorder. We will see one by one. First, that is persistent depressive disorder, or it is also called as dysthymia or dysthymic disorder. And it is a depressed, in that there is depressed mood that lasts for at least 2 years. Then next, postpartum depression. It is a depressive condition in a woman after childbirth. Yes, in postpartum, it is a depressive condition in a woman after a childbirth. And woman may feel the major symptoms of depression during pregnancy or the after childbirth. In that, there is feeling of extreme sadness, then anxiety and the tiredness. Yes, in that, first, that is feeling of extreme sadness, then anxiety and the tiredness. Next, psychotic depression. It occurs, this type of depression, it occurs when the patient shows the major symptom of depression, some along with psychosis, such as delusions or hearing, watching, or the upsetting the things that are actually does not exist. It means delusions. Then next, that is SAD. It means seasonal affective disorders. Capital SAD, that is seasonal affective disorders. It is called as winter depression. Its name itself indicates it is seasonal. It is called as winter depression, as this occur during a winter season only. The environmental and physical changes. Yes, environmental and physical changes are the reason for this type of depression. The environmental and the physical changes is the main reason for this type of depression. That is, changes, it means there is less natural light and also weight gain. Then in that, it's showing the symptoms like social withdrawal, then weight gain and increased sleep. Yes, social withdrawal, increased sleep and weight gain. Then bipolar disorder. It is a condition, or in this condition the bipolar disorder occurs such as primary disorder, and which further causes the depression of mood. That is showing a major symptoms of depressions. But the person with bipolar disorder also experiences extreme irritable mood called as mania, and less severe form which is called as hypomania. If extreme high euphoric or the irritable mood called as mania, or the less severe form which is called as hypomania. So these are the types of depression. Next, that is causes or the etiology of depression. That first, life events. In life events, for example, some bad memories of childhood, like, or for example, physical abuse, unequal parental treatment. See here, in causes or in etiology, first, that is life event. In life event, some bad memories of childhood, like physical abuse or the unequal parental treatment. Then second, medical treatment. Some medicines taken for a treatment are also cause of depression. For example, such as beta blockers, contraceptives, and antipsychotic medicines. Yes, for example, beta blockers, contraceptives, and also the antipsychotic. Then drug abuse, in that alcohol, then sedatives, inhalants, and stimulants. Then next, non-psychiatric illness. In that the depression can occur due to some major illness. Yes, the depression can occur due to some major illness, and the chronic form of illness are the major cause of depression. Yes, I am repeating, the chronic form of what? The chronic form of illness is the major cause of depression, and it can occur due to the number of infectious diseases, then nutritional deficiencies, the neurological conditions, and psychological problems. Yes, it can occur due to the number of infectious diseases, the nutritional deficiencies, neurological conditions, and psychological problems. The next cause, personality. The personality thoughts of individuals are also important, or it also play a major role in the development of depression. For example, the person having negative thinking, the negative speech, then less confidence, also easily get depressed. The next cause, altered secretion of neurotransmitter like 5-HT, then noradrenaline, dopamine can also increase the risk of depression. Yes, alter the secretion of neurotransmitter, for example, like 5-HT, then noradrenaline, dopamine can also increase the risk of the depression. The next cause, social factors. In that, separation from loved one, then death, then loss of money, loss of status, then loss of power, then loss of property, failure in exam, in achieving the objective or the goals, failure in exam or in achieving the objective or the goals, then failure to complete the work or task assigned, then comments. Yes, in social factor for that is separation from loved ones, then death, loss of money, loss of status, loss of power, then loss of property. Next, failure in exam or in achieving the objective or the achieving the goals. Then failure to complete the work or the assigned task. Then comments, or the some needs and also expectations are not fulfilled or are not fulfilled. Then next cause, changes in the brain, for example, change in the neuroendocrine or the hormone system, then changes in the neurotransmitter in the brain, and then the changes in the electrical activities in the brain. These are the causes or the etiology of depression. Next, complications. So what are the complications of this depression? First, that is sexual abnormalities, then sleeping problem, then suicidal tendency, and withdrawal symptoms of medications. Sexual abnormalities, sleeping problem, suicidal tendency, withdrawal symptoms of medications. Then treatment. So what is treatment for this? Use of antidepressant drug, second physical treatment, and third that is psychological therapy. First, that is use of any antidepressant drug. Then second, physical treatment. In physical treatment, that is ECT, that is electroconvulsive therapy, capital ECT, it means electroconvulsive therapy. Then sleep deprivation, sleep deprivation, then light treatment, that is phototherapy. And then third, that is psychological therapy, in that problem solving treatment. Then second, interpersonal therapy, that is IPT. And third, that is CBT, that is cognitive behavior therapy. Yes, in psychological therapy, first, that is problem solving treatment. Next, capital IPT, it means interpersonal therapy. And third, that is capital CBT, it means cognitive behavior therapy.